How to install Git on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first you will need to open up your browser, and then you will need to type Git in the search and then click on the first link. Now on the right side in this blue screen right here, you should see the download button, which says download for Windows because I'm running Windows right now. Next, you will need to click on Git for Windows and download the 64 setup, or you can also download the portable version without installing. So I'm going to click on the installer right here to download it. Now, once you have the installer downloaded, just click on it to open it and then confirm. Now, just press the install button and wait for it to install Git, or basically update Git if you have a previous version. Once it's done, you can press the finish button. Next, you will need to set up your environment variables by clicking the start menu and then, or the start button, and then search for environment. Then click on edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables, and from here double click on path. Now in here, if you see entries like this, which says C program files git cmd and bin, that means it's already added to your environment variables and you don't need to do anything. And if you don't see them right here, you will need to manually add them by clicking on the new right here and pasting the path. The path which you can find if you go to your main hard drive and then program files and then git. And then from here you can find the bin and the cmd and copy the path from here by right clicking and copy and then pasting it in the new entry that you've created. And once you add these two entries right here, press OK. Then under system variables, scroll to path again, double click on it, and then make sure you have those right here as well, which says C program files git cmd and bin. Once you add them right here, click on OK and then click on OK again. Next, you will need to restart your system for them to take effect. And now you should have Git ready to use. So if you open up your CMD or PowerShell and type git space dash dash version and press enter, you should be able to see that Git is working and it should display the version you have currently. And you can run Git commands from your CMD or Visual Studio Code or whatever. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.